Welcome to Cyber Udon 8.
Let's build your personal portfolio using vibe coding and discover how the anti-gravity tool makes it effortless. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a sleek, modern personal portfolio using anti-gravity, a lightweight, cutting-edge framework that makes web development incredibly fun and simple. Whether you're a student, a developer, or a seasoned IT professional, this tutorial will help you showcase your skills beautifully. Best of all, we are going to build this using vibe coding, meaning zero manual coding required. Step 1, downloading and installing Antigravity first. Let's get the software ready. Head over to the official URL shown on the screen, point to screen/description link. Depending on your operating system, you can download the appropriate distribution for Windows, macOS, or Linux. They also provide an anti-gravity CLI that you can quickly install via PowerShell, as well as a full SDK for your development environment. Since I already have it installed, let's jump right into the application. Step 2, setting up the project. Once you open the tool, the setup is incredibly straightforward. Click on Create Project. Click Add Folder and create a brand new folder on your system named Personal Portfolio. Select it, click Next, keep the settings on default, and hit Create. Now we are ready to customize. Step 3, the power of vibe coding prompting. As you can see, the workspace is local and clean. I have already prepared a detailed prompt for our portfolio, so I'm just going to paste it right here. What's in the prompt? It instructs the AI to build a clean, interactive personal portfolio. I've included my name, tagline, a smooth navigation bar, professional certifications, contact details, and even pasted my entire resume for context. Once your prompt is ready, simply click Next. Step 4, LLM model. Selection and architecture generation. Now the tool will analyze the request. For this build, we are using the Gemini 3.5 Flash LLM model, but you can select any model based on your requirements. The system will ask for permission to run the initial commands. Just click Submit. From here, Antigravity goes to work. It generates a complete implementation plan, designs the architecture, and prepares the technical profile for your site. Step 5, executing the plan and live build. Review the implementation plan on the right-hand side to see what it's building, then click Allow. Watch this. It is automatically installing the required NPM packages, creating the index.html file, setting up a responsive navigation, and handling the CSS design tokens and live themes. I haven't written a single line of code. When it prompts you for local dev environment permissions, just click Allow to let it launch the local open server. Step 6, the final result. And just like that, click on the local hyperlink generated in the logs, and boom, we have a fully functional live personal portfolio website ready in just under 4 minutes. Everything from the resume details to the certifications has been dynamically structured. You can easily swap out the placeholder photo later to match your professional look. Here is a look at a portfolio I built a week ago using this exact method, featuring dynamic graphics and an interactive layout. In our next video, I will show you how to take this exact portfolio and deploy it on GitHub pages so anyone on the internet can access your professional site. Stay tuned for that. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to